We're in Lightroom and we're going to look at how you can add and sort your images. So you can see I'm in my dashboard in Lightroom and I am viewing my bins here, and I can toggle that on and off. I'm just going to start out by adding some photos. So I'm going to hit this plus button, and I've got a folder on my desktop called Landscape, and I'm going to import that entire folder. And I can create a new album for these to live, and these are going to be my wetlands, and I'm going to add all 75 photos. And so it's bringing those in, and notice now I have a album down here called the wetlands where all of those photos are being moved to. Other options I have in my bin, I can view all of my photos. I can view recently added. I can view them by specific times. And I can come down here, view the album I just added. So right now I am viewing in what's known as the photo grid. So it gives me the full photo, whether it's landscape or portrait. I can view it in the square grid. So they're all put in a square grid, a little smaller, but I can view more of them. Or I can view in the detail grid. So I have this film strip of all my photos down here and one large photo up here. Now I can start ranking my photos, working a little further with them. If I right click on the photo, I have some options to open in detail, sort, set a rating, set a flag, rotate, etc. So let's talk a little bit about this rating system. I can also come down here and rate photos. So typically you would either use a method where you flag or reject or rank. I'm a big fan of using the ranking system. So I'm just going to go through my photos and I'm going to give them a ranking, and we'll just pick out a couple here. Then I can sort those images. So up at the top, I can apply a filter, and let's say I want to show all the photos that are 3 stars or greater. And there's those images that I ranked. I can also search through these photos. So let's say I want to search for all my photos that have water in them. Now, it missed the beat a couple of times, but you can say it did sort through my photos. So we can go back to our ranking. So that is adding, sorting, filtering your photos inside Lightroom.